Hello, good morning kabayan. At today is Saturday, September 19, 6 o'clock in the morning. At ngayon ay sasamba ako. Pupunta tayo sa bahay ng kapatid na sinasamahan ko sa pagsamba. Kasi sumasabay ako sa kanila, sa kanyang sasakyan. At ngayon ay lalabas na tayo. Ngayon, kasi tumawag ako ng Uber. Tara, punta na tayo sa labas. Abangan natin yung Uber na tinawagan ko. Bukas pala yung pintuan mga kabayan. Tingnan nyo nakabukas yung pintuan namin. Pero walang pumasok, di ba? Kasi minsan kasi naiiwan kasi yung ang pintuan, ayan naiiwan minsan na nakabukas, pero as usual ganun din, tahimik lang dito. Dito na ako sa labas ng bahay at inaabangan ko na yung Uber. Kasi bibahay na tayo. Pagkatapos nun, pag nakasakay tayo, tingnan natin kung makapag-video tayo. Kasi nung nakarang pagsamba, nung nakarang biyahe papunta dun sa kapatid, binidyohan ko yung paglalakbay sa Uber. Kaya mamaya ganun din siguro gagawin natin. Kasi gusto ko lagi kapag umaalis ako, lumalabas ako ng bahay, gusto ko nag-video. Malamig ngayon mga kabayan. Kaya nga ganito suot ko eh. Lamig. Tingnan yung kapaligiran, napakatahimik. Pag araw ng ganito, pag araw ng Sabado, tahimik dito. Kahit araw-araw din, hindi lang Sabado, Monday, Tuesday hanggang Sunday, tahimik. Kasi yung mga natao na sa bahay lang, hindi sila lumalabas eh. Nandiyan na ata yung Uber. Tingnan natin. Tignan ko kung ito yung Uber. Dahil lang, titignan ko ito na. Today is cold. Winter.
Huh?
Cold today, cold.
No, it's not very cold today.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Because my friend, I am only you know what I mean.
You just come.
Yeah, yes.
You just come from Philippines.
Yeah.
That's why you feel it.
Yeah. But what is really the cold day?
Coldest day.
Yeah, the coldest day.
It depends.
The coldest. I mean the coldest month. I mean the month.
It's gonna be from England's weather is really funny.
Yuri. Sometimes
Sometimes
morning rain, then afternoon become again a hot sun.
yeah, that's it. It's not like a Philippines.
Yeah. You've been there in the Philippines.
No. I'm not Philippines. I know that.
But you are long time here in United Kingdom.
Yes.
You live here.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
This is my 44 years.
Yeah.
44 years I'm here.
You came here. You're from India. I mean.
Yes.
You came here in UK. You apply job, or you just go here with your family here, or what?
No, I come myself.
You come yourself. From
1982.
yeah, yes.
You born 82?
I was born in 1971. I'm already
Baby, you was baby then.
yeah.
Only 11-year-old when I come over here.
Yes, really.
Yeah.
So, who's with you here in the United Kingdom? When you come here?
You were 11-year-old when I come over here.
No, what I mean, you are only alone?
Yeah, I was 21-year-old.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm going to be 65.
Now,
Huh?
yeah, really.
65. Old man.
44 years, imagine. Maybe half of your life is here in the United Kingdom.
More than that.
More than that, yeah.
More than that.
So you mean to say you come 11 years old here?
No.
21 years old. 21.
21. You
Yeah.
was 11-year-old.
Okay.
You was 11-year-old
Yes.
when I come here. I was 21-year-old.
Really? Okay.
I'm born in 61.
Born 1961, right?
Yes.
So you are, 10 years older than me.
Yeah.
So you have already a family here, your own self. Maybe your.
I'm a granddad.
Uh,
You know granddad?
what does it mean of that?
Granddad.
Granddad, your granddad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
Okay.
You have already your granddaughter. Your grandson.
Yes. Yes.
But when you came here, you are single before, or you already have your wife before.
Yeah, wife here.
Okay.
I get married here.
You got married.
Yeah, I get married 21-year-old.
Really? Okay.
Huh?
Yeah. So that's why you're no UK citizen here.
Yeah.
But sometimes, every year you go vacation in your country.
Yes. I
Yeah.
go back. I'm going to next month again.
Every month. Okay.
Not every month. This year I'm going twice.
Okay.
I went to February, come back in March,
Yeah.
and then I go into October. Many Indian in the Philippines.
Yeah, you are right. They like Philippines.
They like the Philippines.
You know why?
Mhm.
Because in
Business.
our country, the life is there a little bit poor. Then some India, because your business is lending. Lending money.
Lending the money.
Yeah.
I know.
So that's why some of the Filipinos, even if they're working,
Yeah.
so sometimes the money they are getting from their salary is not yet enough. So that's why they lend money in in India.
Making the money that way.
Yeah. So you told me that there's plenty in India in the Philippines. Why don't you sometimes visit Philippines? You don't like?
I love to go.
Okay.
I love to go. Is it nice?
Okay.
Now is the Philippines a nice country?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also in the Philippines, now too much crowded. Many Filipinos there.
The problem
Now a little bit in our government.
with the government.
Yeah, government. In our country, too much corruption there.
I know. They're
Yeah.
everywhere. In India too much.
Same too.
Same in India as well.
Yeah. So your work here in UK in 44 years you are Uber driver.
No.
Sometimes you work in the other company.
No, I'm working in the factory. I got a own business.
You have your own company.
Yes.
It's good.
Indian man, very hard worker.
Yeah, you are right.
Working very hard. Yeah?
Yeah, I know. Like India is like like Philippines, working very hard too.
No. Not everywhere hot. India is a very big country.
Okay.
And where I'm from,
Yeah.
we got all season. Cold, rainy season.
In India.
No, North India. India is very big.
Yeah. People there's I think billion people, like China, billion. Your population is billion,
Yes.
like China.
Yeah. Making the kid bang.
Yeah, you're right.
Bang.
You're right. So how many your kids, your children? Your sons and daughter. How many?
How many I got?
Yeah.
I got 12.
Really?
Yeah.
Big family.
No, 4. Not 12. Not every year.
4. Okay.
Too much. It's very hard. Now the children's got only 2 or 3.
English. But when I take the exam,
Yeah.
what I mean,
Yeah.
first I failed the reading.
Okay.
So I then retake again the exam. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So I tried my second examination,
Okay.
then and I'm passed. But no, because supposed to be we are four here, Filipinos coming here in UK, but those three Filipinos, I think they failed in the exam.
They fail an exam.
Yeah, and one Filipino back out.
Okay.
Don't want anymore to continue the application because, according to him, he's not very good in English.
Okay.
But he wants to go here in UK.
They gotta come
Many
here.
many Filipinos are dreaming to come in England,
Yes.
but maybe that is the life, no?
Mm.
Maybe I'm only the one who passed
do you
the
do?
exam. Yeah,
What do you do? What job you do?
I'm working in a maintenance in care homes.
Okay.
So my work is 40 hours a week, per hour a week.
40 hour a week.
Yeah. So this is no, I mean natural work. I mean every day I work, and Saturday and Sunday is my off. So that's why every Saturday I go to the church. Our church in Birmingham,
Okay.
Yeah, there. I'm going to the house of my church brothers. Then
Okay.
after that, I will go to I will go with him because he has his car.
Oh, he
But
got his
because right now I don't have my car. Maybe sooner I will buy my own car.
car. Okay.
Yeah.
You need.
Because I can buy here second hand. I see in Google, no.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
yeah,
can
yeah.
buy like £1,000 or £2,000.
Yes.
Yeah. Because here in the UK, the car is nice. Unlike in the Philippines,
Yeah.
when you buy second hand car there, sometimes they cheat you, no? I mean,
Over here,
some
same.
Filipino cheating.
Same here as well.
Same here.
Very careful.
Okay. So if I want to buy a car, so where I can buy car? You have an idea?
Idea.
Like
Best to buy-
second hand car?
Yeah, best to be Arnold Clark. It's a bit expensive, but still you got to be like a better car.
So how much is for? You have an idea how much?
You paying the monthly installment. You pay monthly.
Monthly.
Yeah, you can pay monthly.
So how much? For example, how much monthly? You give me an idea.
Say like you can ask them how much you want a car. £10,000, £15,000.
Then monthly. I mean,
Make it monthly for 5 years.
no. I mean what I mean monthly. Give me like this, like £30 like this.
No, not £30. Like a £200,
It's big. Yeah, you're right.
£300. Depend on the car.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
You're gonna pay insurance monthly.
So how about you? Because you are long time here in UK, so you buy this one already.
Yeah, because this is for business.
My friend, this is already the place. You can jump into that one.
Which one?
No, I walk. Don't worry. I walk here. That one, that
Which
car
one is it?
in the post. Okay, you already bring me. Okay.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Ford.
Ford.
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
This is the house. See, this is the house.
Okay, this is the house.
Okay, my friend, thank you.
No
If
problem.
I have time to check the Uber, I will rate you 5 stars. Okay.
Shall I give you 5 star?
I give you because.
I'll give you 5 star.
Okay, thank you very much.
You good boy.
I also give you. Same with you. Thank you, my friend. Dito na ako. Nakababa na ako sa Uber. Dito na. Yan. Noong nakaraang pagsambaling, ganun din, di ba? Dumating din ako, dito nga ako sa labas. Ngayon, iniintay ko ulit. Papasok ako rito. Alam ko bubuksan nila yan eh. Ito yung yung Flaxol. Nakita nyo na to, di ba? Pinakita ko na. Yan mga kabayan, nakausap ko yung yung Indiano, naputol yung usapan namin. Actually, marunong naman ako mag-drive. Kaso lang, may mga kagaya na sinabi ko sa inyo. May mga dapat kang matutunan sa pag-drive dito sa UK kasi yung lane nila unang-una sa kaliwa. Hindi kaya sa atin sa Pilipinas sa kanan, di ba? Tapos ikalawa, yung ituturo nila sa iyo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Kasi may yung mga kalsada nila dito may mga arrow, tapos may mga sulat ng mga pangalan ng mga lugar. Ganun ang yung daanan dito eh. Talagang makikita mo yung yung code, postcode na nakasulat. Makikita mo yun. Kaya yung kinausap ko siya. Kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, marunong ako mag-drive. Kaya nga bibili akong sasakyan eh. Hintayin lang natin. Meron naman ako service sa company, hindi pa nila binibigay. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Nandun yung van sa warehouse. Kasi may sira kasi yon, yung van na yon. Hindi ko alam kung papaayos pa nila, baka madisgrasya ako. Push. Push.
Push back.
We push back. Okay. Okay. Tutulak namin to sa sasakyan niya. Kasi hindi makaandar yung sasakyan niya. Okay. Wait. Maybe this one mechanic. Why don't you talk to him? He's a mechanic.
Oh, no.
He can fix his car. Your car.
This is not easy job because the bloody tire puncture. If this the tire, this is spare. This no good. Not
So, you will be the one to fix your car.
yeah.
Maybe it's very hard to push.
Yeah. Please help me to get.
Okay. Maybe the tires.
Yeah.
The tires.
Yes, please.
Okay. Yan, nakausap ko siya. Tinula ko yung sasakyan niya. Ang hirap. Yung sasakyan niya kasi inaayos niya. Ayun yung kinausap ko eh. Pag sumakay ako sa kanya. Pero hindi naman siguro. Ganun kasi dito sa bansang to eh. Busy sila sa ang mga tao dito busy sa mga ginagawa. Kailangan nila mabuhay kaya inaayos niya yung sasakyan niya. Sabi ko yung dito kapitbahay naman dito ay mekaniko si Kapred kasi yung trabaho niya. Baka siguro baka ayaw niya magasusan, siya na lang mag-aayos ng sasakyan niya. Kasi parang matigas yung gulong. Tinulak namin, nakita niyo kanina, di ba? Ito papasok ako dito. Dito na yung kumakain sa bintana. Anak ni Kapred. Sa bintana nakita niyo. Pag papasok ako, titignan ko. Kasi pwede naman ako dumiretso kung gugustuhin ko. Kaso nga lang, di pa ako dumiretso. Kasi nga nagbablog ako eh. Ayan. Eto. Ayan, inaayos. Oy, morning po. Tinulungan ako magtulak. Sira yung sasakyan niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, paayos sa'yo eh. Ang bigat. Tigas eh. Tinawag ako.
Ayaw dumanda.
Oo, yung tinulak ko yung yung gulong, yung ang tigas. Tapos yung makina, ibang ko, tigas po. Dinulungan ko siya. Sige po, dito na po.